Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need a pencil and a highlighter. Our first word is bag. B-A-G, bag. With your pencil, please write bag. B-A-G, bag. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel in bag. A is our vowel. Short A says A. Our next word is tub. T-A-B, tub. With your pencil, please write tub. T-A-B, tub. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel in tub. Is our vowel in tub. Our next word is hat. At, hat. With your pencil, please write hat. At, hat. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel in hat. A is our vowel. Our next word is dog. D-A-G, dog. With your pencil, please write dog. D-A-G, dog. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel in dog. A is our vowel in dog. Our next word is lip. O-I-P, lip. With your pencil, please write lip. O-I-P, lip. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel in lip. I is our vowel. Our next word is pig. P-I-G, pig. With your pencil, please write pig. P-I-G, pig. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel in pig. I is our vowel. Our next word is mop. M-A-P, mop. With your pencil, please write mop. M-A-P, mop. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel in mop. A is our vowel. Our next word is nut. N-U-T, nut. With your pencil, please write nut. N-U-T, nut. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel in nut. Is our vowel in nut. Our next word is web. W-E-B, web. With your pencil, please write web. W-E-B, web. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel in web. E is our vowel in web. Our last word is bet. B, E, T, bet. With your pencil, please write bet. B, E, T, bet. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel in bet. E is our vowel in bet. Way to go, boys and girls. Flip your paper over for more learning. All right, we are doing word match on this side of our paper. I'm going to read our word, and then we're going to match it with its correct picture. Our first word is jog. J-O-G, jog. Please write jog next to the correct picture. J-O-G, jog. And I like to cross it off when I'm done. My next word is box. B-O-X, box. Please write box next to the correct picture. B-O-X, box. Our next word is hog. H-O-G, hog. Hog is another word for pig. H-O-G, hog. Our next word, P-O-D, pod. Like peas in a pod. A pod is what holds the peas that we eat. P-O-D, pod. Our next word, C-O-T, cot. A cot is like a small bed. C-O-T, cot. Our next word, H-O-T, hot. Find a picture of the hot sun. H-O-T, hot. Our next word, D-O-G, dog. Please write dog next to the matching picture. D-O-G, dog. And our last word, O-O-G, log. O-O-G, log. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great. I'm so proud of you.